if you're wondering why we are dressed up in our traditional dress today, it's because Poumai is having an event, a special event. Freshers meet, come get together. So we are on our way to the event. Right now we are in the south of Delhi. The event will be in the north of Delhi. So it's a little bit of long distance to go. This event is organized only once in a year, where the community gets together and celebrate. So as excited as I am, I hope you guys also get excited with us and enjoy this video. This is my brother Rangao. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm having a bit of a cold. We'll see how our singing goes.
Yeah, we will be performing as well. BBCD choir. He will be singing in tenor. I'll be singing in bass. Poka jubi bakar sini Delhi.
22 August in Kena. Poso lako sa.
Wow. So how is Delhi treating you?
It's fine, I guess.
That's the spirit. Graduation
I'm doing my 4th year. Unemployment delays.
Unemployment, delaying unemployment with the 4th year of his graduation. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and see you in the spot. We have reached to the spot, guys. Everybody looks beautiful with their attire. Just wait and see. Gilda, Takewo. Wait, give me pastor. Wait, give me
How was your YouTube recording?
I'm recording right now. So this is Taweo, my brother, my little brother. Hey, guys, I'm going over there, my boy. Mr. Tangam. Hey, say something. They are the star of Poumai in Delhi.
Mr. Roman Reigns.
Yay!
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. The permit of photo doll. Hey, line up. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
How is the day going?
Very good.
Are you guys excited? I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Hello, Smart.
bro.
Introduce ko lang 하나 쉐브 무슨 아니었어 왜요? 하트 저래 오. Most eligible bachelors right?
Yes, sure. 36 months. He is the man of the day today.
The traditional attire. Oh, wait.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Which one is it?
Oh, we can't any daw na. Hey. Go, bro. Hello. How are you? Good, good. Thank you for hello. YouTuber. Hi, hi. Dedek. Asal bu? Hai brother bu. Bermasuk mo? Okay. Ito ni reception booth ni birana. This is Vane, Kivine, and Philistina and their friends. Talam sa Joma. Ito no kumina. This is how it looks like.
Chief guest of honor sahib venue hi tabelo ni bure. Sivazaneu my wish ki pani tara ni bipui morning ki khani lo bipu ko ni poswane be. My so Joey na hana with chief guest of honors tabelo ready ni poswane be. Sivazaneu my wish ni kushila you so like Bara sa ni da will.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest for the day, Sri David Lalvinsana, ITS officer, Special Commissioner of Police, Schoolwork and Spanner for the police.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the chief guest of today's event, Sri David Lalvinsana, IPS Special Commissioner of Police.
Hello, which one you here?
Veloju Mahan la his Asaju 36th Vedaujuna Hanawe greetings As we gather in fellowship, let us all take a moment to remember that every success, every gathering is done best when we dedicate it to the Almighty. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Mr. Sheva Sapuna, Associate Pastor, PBCD, to lead us in the invocation prayer.
Apo utility the he program hilo bujuma ta weje nini so theba so pyo nini pito he tabelu mai le li cha poi wa ne e to puma sulu mo shi to zhe do kai bu ba lo se tai ju do so lai ju ji bo lai ju se tai wei shi program ha to de za nini jo poi wa ne e to alili wei pyo na ma do do ne bas ha ne ma ta khai mo de ne apo ni ni ba ji boy ne ka the wei su do Nika ten du shosula idau ma la sane ni be hangolo da ma solo dia bu Jishu Krista je ni be chi bokure amen.
Fierce shouts and synchronized movements. The dancers imitate scenes of hunting and warfare, symbolizing strength, protection, and victory. This dance is a celebration of identity, unity, and undying heritage of the Poumai Naga.
Today we celebrate not just an event, but the enduring spirit of our community, a spirit of unity, hope, and shared purpose that defines us as Poumai Nagas. The Vedaujuna Camp Freshers Meet is not just an annual event, It is a proud tradition that for 36 years has stood as a testimony of our unity and shared identity. It is a time to celebrate our culture, reaffirms our bonds, and warmly welcome our new members into the family here in Delhi. Let us uphold the Poumai values and let your growth be guided by wisdom and character. May this 36th Vedal Junior Come Freshers Meet 2025 be a celebration of hope, learning and togetherness. Thank you. God bless us all.
Chú ít the first session bị chơi luôn nè, lunch break pura. Ở đây nè, thằng bạn keng lên à? Keng sao ta là keng mày? Hả? Dạ, hay kết số một khi ngồi kết được qua đó. Thì tập vào đây không được. Mắc số. Rồi. Vậy là đấy. So nhiều cái purpose đấy sẽ được cái đấy. Chú exam ta tháp ra. Chú em sao thế cơ? So daily cái bữa bị gì rồi sao? Đấy, chính xác. Sâu đã sâu một mà cái mai tàu lý do cái lô này, với đã thắng một cái sâu lồng khai của ta đã biểu hiện bên mình này có sâu một sâu đã có sâu một, ôi trời ơi thế cơ, cái này chú ít là lunch break của cái interview, ta cái này work ta này nó lấy ta video continue số cổ phiếu skip số một này, mà bây giờ vậy, Hoi, yo. Cái cái first session vào mà ra.
Vào to đấy, anh đi chơi mà bộ mình nó, với lúc phụ nữ just vào rồi, nên mẹ về về ngồi lúc hay vào show rồi.
So nè, Delhi bijou pourquoi je peux pas garder?
Đi cái một bộ sơ này cũng có đấy.
अच्छा. So đại đại đó luôn nè, younger generations, जो freshers cái mà tao chỉ bảo đại khăn nó đã nhiều rồi.
Đi vị trí bọn này rồi, Poumai Naga rồi. Poumai nó từng phong máu advance rồi, Poumai số cho update rồi. Chỉ với sao chỉ不弄嘛到，cái này是一直两包为现在是包为你些，所以服务业我说我的。
My purposes. Ye je ko we hen na tholo la ke pick blenders ma kana dide.
Si nó ha, Poumai Freshers Meet vui lệ ha, nó kia bên nào, shopping tao mà.
Acha.
Là mẹ chín đấy nó.
Mẹ chín vậy đó.
Nó quên à.
Ye waffle mai ma.
Chứ waffle mà. Why? You do mẹ.
Giờ tao sẽ waffle mà cái eligible bachelor chứ nhá lên lâu rồi.
Chú bị tụi nó ya đó. Eligible, most eligible in Kumi. I became an eligible bachelor. After some years, it become the most.
Yeah, c'est kilo misu dali biara. Delhi kesho bi kwambo nyara poka bi kwada. Hello. Friends. Delhi for how many years?
4-5 years by Delhi bujo. Up down so bad, continuously comes more.
Yeah, so kilo we hardly miss Delhi biara. Do you miss anything from home?
I miss my hometown. Why not? I really miss.
What do you miss the most?
I really miss the beautiful view of my village.
Yeah, the freshness, man.
So this winter, I'm planning to go home.
Wow. So then, see you around, huh?
Yeah, see you. Thank you so much.
그래요, 어쩌다. 来不？我为了你还为了带，还scientist 买了呢，为个呢？还过你？还都哦，一不买点力起来，veteran 嘛嘞，你不过就 keep 把了。
1999 get it.
不过就把了这的 approx 30 years.
Almost नहीं तो मैच कोई मैच हो रहा है 2025 minus 1999
Let's say approx 30 years.
almost close to it yeah
Hey, events ta yero khosu da na smart right.
my song so my home I saw
je不是喜欢么的。ça je freshers mai ta hi moro do ne 1 km khela 1 km ni khela mai nyal le mai ta hin chi pau khai dai no ta li wa ra
you jar chen lo 就是保险就拿我毛了
Japan ma ko mora.
Kura
Okay.
你对了
I that age ke.
哎会给吗
Voi ke ma. Hello boy. Voi ke le ma. Số món này kia kilo này. Chế đâu? Bây về khổ bên mà kìa. Đi tao hơi đi. Rebecca. Khó số mà lấy Poumai. Lúc số bên này phò ra nè, जो cái gì? अच्छा. Ô. Hả? Đã phá cái lỗ rồi nè. Hello. Say. Rồi tao để con nó chỉ cần nhớ lỗ à sao?
到底能不能 Prince 吗？一跑哪打了去的？
cái này bán này sống rồi.
来送的。
你信吧？这把微笑打完了。
他流浪。
Oh. Hả? Anh nào vẫn nói thế rồi.
먹방 설레네.
Tapi tadi
사서 원래 먹방 설레나 요.
Eh.
Subscribe 많이 띠블리 increase 설레네. 어디 가보려고.
Macam mana? Meeting all friends.
Yeah.
Good.
He's a YouTuber. Famous YouTuber.
Just a small YouTuber. I'll just show you guys around. Hi. You guys look beautiful with the attire.
Yeah.
See, it's a long queue. YouTuber में ले चिल्ली पौनो था प्यारो.
Aha, maybe subscribe so do you.
कल शुरू से.
Thank you for
Thank you.
your channel.
Nila, हाँ दिल्ली बिजू तो वारो क्या गिते?
10 years plus buat.
Oh, betul juga. That's a decade.
Celebrate so.
Siapa nama kulit biar kak kira tiga sa? Shimira. Acha. Most eligible bachelor dah kak. Biar tahu tu se.
Na semua.
हाँ.
Ayo apa semua?
अच्छा. Ipurul में सब लमा.
So semua.
और ये ऐसा जो freshers में था वे ताही मोरो किलोनी दो ने खेले थी प्लान सब भी में था चिल्ली पावर पाव एडवाइस पे ना था बिहार है.
Kalau tu speaker me aku saya mau jangan apa ni mau apa.
如果在包括是我们这里去了，你 freshers 没去过，搞了出来的是这里是不会收礼不是？It's a place like knowledge bank. And we can learn. Like lots of opportunities are there. So whoever is coming to Delhi, I think we should encourage the Poumai people, to come and you can take advice from the seniors. There are lots of opportunity here. So welcome them. And today is the freshers meet. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for the wise advice.
Thank you.
Here we have the lost direction.
Yo.
That 8
Vlog or
block.
live.
Block. Dosu the drummer.
Drummer.
Ngising atta kerja.
Tabla.
Kukepu, the bassist.
Bassist.
Vocalist. Then who is what's Richard's role?
Chowkidar. Background singer.
Good to see you guys. Yeah.
Good to see you, sir.
Hello, picture. Nice to meet you. Okay, Shusane. Hi, Shusane. We are choir members. Shusane sings alto, he sings tenor. Wait, I'll walk around first. Wait, show me. Dal, papat, pork,
This beef
and church drummer. And this is my nephew, Tadio, the son of our pastor. Want to say something?
Nothing.
Nothing. Your birthday? Is it your birthday? Another table. Cái gì kìa, tôi về mà rồi. Tôi looking handsome, yeah. Thirty guys, yes. They are born and brought up from here, from Delhi, right?
Yes.
Nichuna chupoka chupara. Kinko. Acha. Le doi Delhi kera. Ti di wena jo di che ni pa khamai so ma hamana. Tutulo. Vyai bege di le henela. Ka gi ta bu ba ma bo. Guitarist my Poumai battalion he champion ma. Winner and winner ali. Kamai puli ni. Lunch enjoy so beautiful. Okay, my boy. Now, incha mato abai mana. Tolo. Cái thà số giờ này tàu về ra na ni ha.
Không hiểu hả rồi.
Hello, Kasa. Nice to meet you after a long time.
Yeah, it's been nice to meet you too. My exams went okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for your first.
You brought your friends?
Yeah. They're not my friends. They're my younger brother's friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Your younger brother Pawai, please introduce your friends to the viewers.
So he's Malim
Huh?
and he's Vikash
Yes.
and he's Mangalsana.
Oh, they are from which states?
They're also from Manipur.
All of them?
From the Meitei community.
Oh, good to have you guys, yeah. Enjoy the lunch.
Okay.
I'll see you around, bro. There's always that one bro who stays in the corner who talks to his lady. Come here.
I'm part of the
Say
fam.
something. He wants to become a YouTuber.
No.
Last time in one of our old videos you said you want to become one,
I guess.
but now you don't want to become anymore. By the way, this is Vio King. I think this year the numbers turned out real good. Zoe, Kezia.
Hi. Subscribe super yo.
Dr. Cole Timothy with the kid with kin ato former Poumai president and general secretary of NSUD, Miss Pipane.
Thank you.
Wow, yes, Mr. Johnson. What advice would you give to your younger brethren as a senior?
As a senior, so I will request all the freshers to focus on their work.
It just came last. What?
Only that?
Only that.
Okay, thank you. And what about Mr. Comfort? A quick question, please.
Oh, please. Really?
Yes. What advice would you give to your younger friends who just came home?
Start with a prayer and end with a prayer. That's what the GPS said today.
That's a good takeaway, guys. Hello.
Hello.
What advice would you give to your younger brothers and sisters who just came to Delhi?
To stay focused and be consistent in whatever they feel they are working.
Cool. Thank you.
you.
And enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Tôi lại vô Miss Papi này and sisters.
Yes, tôi lại đến
Tôi tụi lo. Hả? Tari chagi ke. Quick keep on. Xấu mà. Hi. You guys look very cool here. Miss Evi, want to say something?
Hi.
She is a music student.
Oh, damn, bro.
I mean, just give an advice to your brothers and sisters who wants to pursue music, no?
I don't think it's a good idea. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Kilom misomura.
송뭐라 이게 잘해 잘해
보슬레가 kilom misoro서 몸에. Okay. The cover shot ada ne. Miss Rofi. Bosco. Wait, give ma. Wait, give No. How does the food taste?
Awesome. It's so good. Come to me though.
Ano attorney Mr. Tal mo to ko na. Black Superman. Solo bale ho. Kapo 저도 그러면 저도 테이스 절레도 봐요.
저거 찔렘나.
리니 마하주주. 비오서 리니가 까디 베토서 한디 마나.
또 고기 불래나. 저거 찔레 저거 레인 카이고.
아스비다 마.
아, 비베.
Freshers में है ना नि थर्ड दिके जिता दिगा दे जोन
Asi ero.
एरो नि आगर ले पाइ नोटिस ने
Sana.
साना अच्छा आकुट पा खइबो
We atong ba.
어 하나가 아कुट पा जाउने थेउ मो बस
Ne.
살랑 게로 숨어 게이라
Talking kere.
다이소 걸리네 디자이너
Graphic
graphic designer
Be pharma.
비파 which 쓸 무슨 무슨나
Subscriber mai do.
칼롬 저 비디오
Ngau le bro.
अच्छा सब्सक्राइब सब दिता है मैंने थैंक यू
상호해 그거 하고.
सीनियर में तो
유튜브 할 거다. 너 뒤로.
फोटोग्राफर से पूरा नहीं है तो भी है ना ये फोटोग्राफर लंच तो लंच हो इधर वही हॉल में खाई को रे फोटो खामाई को लेने फोटो शूट पुता मेमोरीज कर रहे तो नहीं वो रिशो को नहीं बिरे सब महल ने ले रहा
Asin ni shower right? Asin ni beginner right?
야, 자위.
Hi, I'm Javi.
show में तो हमें रिच कर रहा है जिससे शो के दिया क्यों है ओके ब्रा नहीं ओके ब्रा माँ vậy ta quên nó lấy rồi thank you Miss Shavina Rio is in our midst today. She. Oh. Đấy là hai bên là thế thì introduce của mọi cả introduce với cả những cái
Anh đi con sao này?
again di contract ke sister Sheba với nè hana chính ngay cái chứ ha khó san nè
Người go, phải về luôn.
tại ơi hai bạn là khởi chỉ bỏ đại bộ bảo ta bro Mr. Former President.
Hello.
He's a hard-working man for the people.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where's your son? Cái gì đó?
YouTuber mới bảo với sự hè.
Miss Shevin Rio. She is a YouTuber as well. Please subscribe her channel.
Please subscribe and like and share Sasho's channel also.
Thank you.
And visit my channel as well.
She has an angelic voice. You guys must check out her channel.
Please, if you like to hear my angelic voice.
Sasho.
Photo đâu lấy tên con mà.
Anh đây hay YouTube mà.
Mr. Banner Lana Moijan. And Mr. Darfrona, the member of Gaigu band. Look at his his skills of taking pictures. Whoa, multi-talented. They are our hosts in the first session, Miss Joyce Poumai Joyce and Mr. Nagaji.
Rinya, Mr. Rinya, Mr. Rinya.
Rinya.
Thank you.
He used to host as well.
Oh,
He used to be a host. Yeah, see you. Với khai lố, anh thấy cái gì? Poumai. My cousin and my cousin's friend. Don't they look handsome in their waistcoat?
What's the YouTube channel?
Sasho Kizao.
Okay, so check it out.
Okay, thank you.
He's my cousin, not like cousin.
From father's side. Presidents and social workers of different tribes for the students. Hello, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Cái gì này? Đã show là mai hay even anh host này.
Yeah, very sure we have friends. I'm very happy that many people came and then we're excited for the second session as well. Yes.
So how?
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you for hosting this such an amazing event.
It's our pleasure.
How long did it take to plan this event for you?
So we have been planning to organize this event for more than 2 months. So we have been driving funds, we have been reaching out to families, people, and then finally it is happening today. The first session is over. We're excited for the second session as well.
Thank you.
I through your channel, I would like to give thanks to all the donors, the supporters, our business sponsors, and everyone who has been a part of this program. We hope that we'll have a very good time. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And what message would you like to give to the Poumai Naga or any other viewers?
Okay, so since today is Get Together&Freshers Meet, I would like to emphasize more on freshers. Whoever has come to Delhi, we're here to help you. If you feel alone or if you want to reach out to us, we're here to help you. And then whenever you feel you find any difficulties or any problems here in Delhi, please reach out to us. We'll be very glad to help you. And then for all the Poumai Naga here in Delhi, let's unite together, let's work together. Please continue to cooperate with us in the future too. And then hopefully in the future, maybe next year, we'll see a massive change from this year as compared to this year. Yeah, hoping that the next year even will be better than this year.
Thank you so much.